Guys, so I'm at Home Depot and I'm going straight to the rugs department, and as you guys can see, the rugs that we need for sublimation are right here in front for only $8.88. If you look, it's 18 by 30 Traffic Master and 100% polyester. Of course, we know for sublimating we need polyester material. This one is I believe the color is gray if I'm not mistaken. There's this one is the same. They're both rubber backs, and this one is rubber all the way, but of course for our sublimation we are going to need the polyester material. So I'm just gonna make sure these are both the same color, and I'm gonna go ahead and take two. So let's get going. Alright guys, so my heat press has reached 400 and my paper has come out of the printer. I went ahead and I cut it as close as possible. The next thing that I realized, this is actually kind of big, like I said before, so I am going to do it in two pieces. I'm going to go ahead and cut more Cardi away from my words, and I'm going to do it in a two-part section and see how that works out. If I ruin it, I have another mat. You live and you learn. The one thing you can't take from yourself is knowledge after learning something. So I actually want to turn this sideways because I'm not sure if she's too long. My heat press is only 12 by 12, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and turn it sideways, pull my girl in a little bit, straighten my mat, and I'm just going to go ahead and press this. Let's see what we got. What's that noise? You guys, my heat press has actually sparked in the past. Once again, I most definitely know I need a new one. So you guys can't really see that it has the Gucci material, but you guys can see her. And you see she came out very well. I think it's just the contrast of the material that makes it hard to see, but you know that that's little Cardi. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this now. And yes, it is hot, but it's not unbearable. And I'm going to bring my words up here, put it right about there, because we have so much space left. And I'm just going to let that be aligned well. Let's see if the heat press covers it all. Stick that under. I'm going to have to unline it a little bit, just like that. And let it go. Start my timer. And after that, that'll be it. Hopefully this part of Cardi doesn't mess up because it's under the heat and I actually did not cover it with anything.